In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your dashboard, your customer dashboard, how to view your booking history, and how to manage, cancel, edit all your account information, your profile information. Okay, so if you are not logged in, please do log in. And if you are wondering how to create an account, you could always visit the blog page. There are step-by-step guide on the blog page. Just click on how to or search for how to create an account, and you can always watch a video on how to do that. So if you are signed up already and you have a customer account, just go ahead and log in and then navigate to the account section. Okay, just make sure that you are logged in. So in this case, I'm already logged in. So navigate to the account section, click on your dashboard. This is where you see the total bookings and all your pending invoices, pending bookings, your credit in your account. And of course, these are not really clickable, but once you go to My Bookings, you're able to view your invoice, see the types of bookings you've made, the dates, the costs. All the information will be available under the My Bookings section. Then you can also navigate to My Profile, where you're able to edit your information. Just make sure that your information is constantly up to date and accurate. And then you also have the option to log out. Just make sure once you're done, you do go ahead and log out, just to secure your account. All right. You also have an option to change your language. I'm assuming English would be the most common language. And you also have the option to change the currency depending on where you are. And that's it. That's how you manage your customer account. Thank you for watching.